So the Koori Curriculum Retreat is coming up really soon, and I thought I'd jump on and explain why we chose to do retreats in the first place. So this will be our third retreat that we're holding, and really there are some conversations that can't take place in a workshop or on a webinar. We really believe with Aboriginal pedagogy that it's about relational learning and connections, and for educators to feel safe and have the capacity to go deeper in their programming and planning, we need more time. Retreats also let us have the cultural and community immersion experiences that so many early childhood educators haven't had the opportunity to access yet. We keep our numbers really small intentionally to be able to facilitate those connections in a safe space. The Koori Curriculum Retreat is coming up, and it's something that we've been working on for a while, the team and I. And one of the things that we really value in our sessions is the importance of holding space for early childhood educators to ask questions that they feel uncomfortable to ask but have been sitting on for a really long time. We want to build educators' confidence and their capacity, and in order for that to happen, we need to create a safe space where educators feel like they can connect and voice and feel all the things that they need to process. So if you are worried and you've been sitting on questions and you've been lost in analysis paralysis, then the retreat is definitely the space for you. It's a really nurturing, kind and safe environment with facilitators that are there to support you the whole way. So what happens at the Koori Curriculum Retreats when educators as a group slow down together? What generally happens is that educators get out of their head and into their body. They ground themselves in connection with country and community and peers that they're there working together with over an extended period of time. It allows them to deeply understand why intercultural ways are so important and the many different ways in which this work can unfold. It allows us to privilege Aboriginal perspectives in our program and practice. In our previous retreats, there's been long-standing connections that have flowed through from that, but ultimately educators go back to their workplaces feeling confident and capable to carry the work forward and motivate others that are around them. So who are the Koori Curriculum Retreats for? They're for me, obviously, but other than that, they're really not for early childhood educators that are looking for quick and easy answers. There's no magic wand that's going to develop this intercultural program at your service. It is for educators who are willing to sit with and do the work, that are ready to engage and connect and to critically reflect. It's a safe space for you to be able to do that, but you need to be ready, and those are the types of educators that we're really looking for and hoping that enroll. So why do we keep our numbers capped at our retreats? The work is different when it's a smaller group. The conversations are richer, the connections are deeper, and so we've intentionally kept our numbers small for this reason. Over a quarter of the spots have already been taken up, so if you're wanting to attend, I would jump onto the website now and have a look, which is just kooricurriculum.com, or reach out to a member of our team if you're wanting more information, because we will strictly keep to our numbers. Hope to see you there. If you have been seeking connection and longing for a deeper understanding, then this invitation is for you. Come and spend a couple of days with me at the Koori Curriculum Educators Retreat in the beautiful Blue Mountains, where we'll be engaging in on-country learning, art workshops, dance workshops, pedagogy workshops. You'll make some beautiful connections, and I promise you'll be leaving with clarity and confidence to move this work forward in your program and practice. I hope to see you there. More information on our website,